Hello, welcome to our symposium entitled Where is Cognitive Science Now? I am Rafael Nunez, professor at the Department of Cognitive Science, University of California, San Diego, and I will be the moderator of this symposium, which, given the circumstances, we had to adapt to a remote format. A little over a year ago, in June 2019, a team composed of 6 members of our department at UCSD, 5 senior doctoral students, and myself, published an article in Nature Human Behavior entitled, What Happened to Cognitive Science? The article reported findings of a study that evaluated in a data-informed manner the status of the field with respect to its original goals, motivations, and ambitions. Focusing on 4 indicators, 2 bibliometric and 2 socio-institutional, the study concluded that nearly half a century after its creation, the field has failed to transition from a multidisciplinary endeavor to a mature interdisciplinary coherent field, exhibiting a marked disciplinary imbalance dominated by psychology, a lack of coherent conceptual core, and a striking absence of a consistent curriculum in the institutions that grant degrees in this domain. The article, other than sparking considerable discussion in social media, prompted scholarly commentaries from prominent members of the cognitive science community that were published as 11 independent articles in a special issue of Topics in Cognitive Science last October, edited by Professor Wayne Gray. Recently, our response to the ensemble of these commentaries has just been published in the current July issue of the same journal. In the spirit of constructive dialogue, collegial debate, and academic intellectual inquiry, we are organizing this symposium with 4 special speakers. A senior graduate student in cognitive science at UCSD, co-author of the original Nature Human Behavior article, Carson Miller Rigoli, and 3 senior faculty, distinguished members of the Cognitive Science Society, and authors of 3 of the commentaries published in Topics. Professor Andrea Bender, from the Department of Psychosocial Science, University of Bergen in Norway, Professor Ashok Goel, from the School of Interactive Computing, Georgia Institute of Technology, and Professor Robert Goldstone, from the Department of Psychological and Brain Sciences, Indiana Universities. The 4 talks you're about to listen to have been pre-recorded. They will be 12-minute long each, followed by a 5-minute question and answer period. After the talks, we will have about 30 minutes for an open general discussion via Zoom. If you have questions for individual speakers or for the final discussion, you can send them via the corresponding chat boxes. Thank you for your attention, for joining this symposium, and enjoy the presentations and the discussion.